What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's Hood Rack Charlie on this Polaris Ranger 1000. So let's get right to it. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have your OEM Polaris bumper installed on your machine. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to complete this install. So we have our OEM bumper installed. We're going to grab the front portion of our hood rack. It's going to lay right here on top of the factory holes in the bumper. Let's let it sit here. So we're going to grab 4 of our MA bolts with our flat washers and our 2 threaded plates. Our threaded plate will slide in here, just like so. Line the holes up, start your hardware. Do the same thing over here for the opposite side. And we can go ahead and fully tighten this hardware. The next step is going to be to remove the 4 factory cage bolts. You'll have 2 on the passenger side, 2 on the driver's side. You just want to make sure that you don't lose your nuts. They tend to try to fall down in between the dash. I like to just put my finger on them, hold them in place, and then pull them out, set them aside. So now we're going to grab our passenger side bracket. Should look just like this. Grab the provided hardware, slide through just like this. A spacer, our other piece of hardware, and a spacer. Line it up with the factory holes. Get it slid through, take our nut, line it up in the factory position, start your hardware into the nut. Do that for the top as well as the bottom. Once you have both nuts started into the factory hole there, you can go ahead and run your hardware up. Make sure you got it good and started. Now that your hardware started, it's time to install the rack. So the next thing we're going to do is install the hood rack to the front mount. We have Jordan here helping us. You can do this by yourself, but I do recommend having somebody to help you. So now we're going to install our pins to the front portion of our mount. Now we're going to take our long hardware, flat washer and nylock nut, line our bracket up with our mount, slide it through, install our washer, then our nylock nut. Now we're going to go through and fully tighten all our hardware. Tighten our bracket. Repeat the same steps for the opposite side. So in order to flip your hood rack up, you would just remove your pins on both sides, flip your hood rack up, you'll gain access to your hood, and then close it back down, reinstall your pins, and you're good to go. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's Hood Rack Charlie on this Polaris Ranger 1000. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.